Take a ball and raise it to a certain height. The ball now has the capacity to do work. Then release the ball and you will notice that it begins to fall. Now, what do you think will happen if you drop the ball from a greater height? The ball that falls from a greater height will have a greater velocity when it reaches the ground. We did more work on the ball when we raised to a greater height. Thus, it possesses more energy. Now, take a bow and an arrow. Place the arrow on the bow with one end supported by the string. Now, stretch the string and release the arrow. You will notice that the arrow flies off to a certain distance. The bow stores the potential energy when the bowstring is stretched. And then this energy changes to the kinetic energy of the flying arrow. Now, let us understand what happens to the potential energy of an object when raised to a certain height. When an object is raised to a certain height, work is done on it by us against gravitational force, due to which an object possesses more energy when raised to a greater height. This energy possessed by the object is termed as gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is defined as the work done in raising an object from ground to a certain height against gravity. Now, let us derive the mathematical formulae for gravitational potential energy. Suppose an object with mass m is raised from the ground through a certain height h. The force required to raise the object is equal to the weight of the object, that is mg. The energy gained by the object is the work done on it. Let work done on the object against gravity be W. W is equal to force multiplied by displacement, which is equal to mg multiplied by h, which is equal to mgh. As the work done on the object against gravity is mgh, so the energy gained by the object is mgh, which is the potential energy of the object. Therefore, potential energy of the object EP is equal to mgh